Hi, Maya. Can you hear me?
Yes, hi.
Good. Sorry about that. Okay, so you're confused about this whole months, years thing?
Yeah, I ended up watching Becky's video and I understood it more, but I just don't get how like you said it has to be years over months, but it says months to years.
No, no, that's not what I meant. Take a look at this. This is the problem you're working on. 18 months to 2 years, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm saying is if you just ignore the units and say 18 to 2, yes, that simplifies down to 9 or 9 to 1. But this is not a fair comparison because what we're basically saying in this situation is that the first thing is 9 times bigger than the second thing. Is that true? Is
No,
the first thing 9 times bigger than the second thing?
no.
In fact, who's bigger in this situation?
The 2 years?
Absolutely. And that's why we need to change this into a matching unit so that we can fairly compare them. So give me 2 years, but give it to me as months.
24 months?
Good. So then you have 18 months to 24 months. Now, this is a fair comparison. And when you divide, you get this. And if you simplify, you have to find something to divide by. So what can you divide the top and the bottom by in this situation?
Um, 6?
Okay, so divide by 6 here, or divide by 6 here, and that leads us to what fraction?
3 over 4?
Exactly. That is the simplified answer that they are looking for in this homework problem. Because they want it in lowest terms. Lowest terms means leave it as a fraction. So you divide by 6 top and bottom, and there you go.
Okay. And then so the the 450 bees to 3 hives. I got 150 bees in one hive,
Right.
and it's saying it's wrong. And I also watched Becky's video, and she said the same thing, but it keeps saying it's wrong.
Yeah, it could just be a typing thing. I think that's a problem where they want like the word and the number together or something. Let me check for you. You want to share your screen with me? Okay. Try taking out the space. Yeah. Go ahead and submit that.
Um, it's still saying it's wrong.
Bees to hives. Yep, it's definitely 150 to that. Okay, let me check it on my end. Because that is definitely the right answer. We just need to get the way it's written to be the way they want it to be written. Two. Bees to hives. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it wanted it as with a space in it. So go ahead and let's resubmit it, but with 150 bees, 150 space bees and 1 space hive.
Okay. Oh, now it's this. See, I did this too. I was having a problem, and it was still wrong.
150 bees. Oh, wait. Now read this carefully. It switched the order on you. That's not bees to hives anymore.
So is it 1 hive,
right, to,
150 bees?
right.
Okay, I'm gonna submit it.
Yeah, I mean, you're not crazy. That's the right answer. You just got to pay attention to how they want it to be written.
Okay. And then let's see. Number 8, I was working on that
Mhm,
a lot, and I
Mhm.
keep getting the wrong answer.
mhm,
So what I did was I watched Becky's video too,
mhm.
and so I try to like follow like what she was doing. So what I did was I did the 6,734 divided by 33,503, and I
Right,
got that number by adding all the population number.
right. But that's a misunderstanding of age dependency, because in age dependency, you do not add up everything. You make it a ratio over the working aged people, and the working age people is the 21,000 number. So you
Oh,
don't add up all of the numbers.
okay. So yeah, I was working on that too, and then, well, I haven't submitted the answer yet, but I did that.
Mhm.
And I got 0.31702 and then a bunch of other numbers.
Okay, well, let's try it.
And so then it would be 0.317.
That's the thousands place, so you need to round a little differently. There
Mm,
you go.
okay.
Okay, that looks a little better.
Okay, it's right.
Good, there you go. So
Okay.
that was a rounding issue. You had the right idea, then you were kind of changing your idea around to because you weren't getting the right answer, but yeah.
And then I think that's it, but let me double check. Um, for number 7, it was different. It was different problem. It wasn't this one. It was about, I can't remember, but I have the numbers. But what I did was I did what was it? Cost over ounces, right?
Calculate the cost per ounce. So yes, you put the cost on top, you put the ounces on the bottom. So let's do the first one. The cost is
$8.79.
how many ounces is it?
12.
No, 10 12-ounce cans.
Oh, so then I would have to multiply that.
Correct.
And 120,
Good.
and then divide that.
Yep. 879 divided by 120.
0.07325. And I do the same thing with the other one.
Correct.
So $7.38 over 96. And then I got 0.076875.
Okay. And how do you decide which one is better?
Well, I remember the first day of class, you did it the opposite way. You put ounces over cost. Do I do that again?
We actually did it both ways.
Oh, okay. So you don't do that then?
It doesn't matter which way you do it. It does matter in terms of how you interpret it. But let's look at the two numbers. You've got cost per ounce, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so let's say that one of them ended up being 0.58, and the other one ended up being 0.79. What's a better cost per ounce? 0.58 is 0.79
0.58.
because you want to spend less. Exactly. So that's what you're looking for. Which one of those is less expensive?
The 0.07325.
Okay. And then the answer needs to be provided in the 10th of a cent. So this is tricky because right now you're calculating it as a dollar amount, but you need to move the decimal 2 places. So for instance, when I said 0.58, that's 58 cents, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how much is yours in the nearest 10th of a cent?
So you move it 2 places, right?
Okay.
Decimal. So then would it be 7.33?
And to the 10th of a cent is just 1 decimal place. So 7.1
30?
decimal place, 7.3.
3? Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I got to run off on you, but sounds like you're on your way.
Yeah, I'm good now.
Okay. Yep, you're working hard. That's the right thing to do. Okay, Maya, sorry about the mix up earlier. Didn't mean to make you wait.
Thank you for helping
Okay.
me.
Of course. Yep. Talk to you tomorrow.
All right.
Bye.